Hi guys, this is Ashley Bedford, founder of the Runtime Diaries. I am a low-key scared because it's the end of the year. We have 7 or 8 days left. It's December 23rd. And I'm like, please slow everything down. I don't have enough time in the world to get the things done that I want to get done before this new year, but that is okay. I know somebody out there is feeling the exact same way that I feel. Deep breath. Okay. Like a little overwhelmed. But, anyways, I am super excited. I want to share with you all some really interesting information. So, as you all know, I am partnered with Educative, and I've been using their platform since I don't even know, like 2022, 2023. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. And I love it. I genuinely do. There are so many aspects of Educative that I just want to talk to you all about. Why do I love it? Like, why even do this partnership? So, here are a few things. First of all, about 2 or 3 months ago, I completed a course on Educative. Now, if you don't know, Educative has a bunch of different courses for people that are current developers or wanting to be a developer or be in that software engineering space or even just understand it, right? I did the Automate Workflows with N8N course like a few months ago, and I absolutely loved it. And here are a few reasons. Number one, I got to read through and walk through a specific example. So they use one example case and they start from, okay, here's a concept. How can we get from this concept and actually make a workflow in N8N? And so it walks through step by step across multiple different lessons. So that way you're not overwhelmed. I get overwhelmed easily sometimes. So that was a really big thing for me. I could take my time, do it asynchronously, like whenever I get a chance, once every other day, or sometimes I had gaps in between when I was trying to finish the course. So maybe I didn't have time within 1 week to finish out a certain section of the course. I could stop and then I can come back to it. So I really like that part about the course. It's not timed or anything like that. Another thing is that I will be able, so I have been able to open up any course in Educative on my phone. I love, love, love that about the platform. And so whenever I go get my hair done or have like a very, very large appointment, if you know how long this hair takes to get done, it's not 1 hour. So whenever I go get it done, I will open up Educative on my phone and I can read through it and do all of the different lessons that it's asking me to do. So that in and of itself, love that. Another thing is I'm not big on just like reading words on a screen. I like to hear it while I'm reading it. I like audio. So Educative currently doesn't offer this, and if I had some feedback, I'd be like, hey, if you could offer audio, like a different type of function where I just kind of like click a little speaker thing and it will read for me a certain section, would love that. But I have a workaround. So what I do, I open it up in my phone. That's the first thing. Second thing, I use the read aloud function. So if you're in like a Microsoft Edge browser or even Google Chrome has a type of similar function to that, I highlight what it is that I want it to read, and then I press play and like open up the function, and it allows that browser to go through and read what's on the Educative page, the course. So I absolutely love that. That was a game changer for me. That made sure that I was keeping on track and pace with the course in a good, type of pace. but I could hear it and see the words and read it that way too. So I really love that. That's great for the audio and visual people out there. So I would say, as one more piece of feedback, that I'm a big visual person. I'm huge on like different pictures, graphs, charts, even. So if they could have more of that within the courses, that would help so much for me. But otherwise, I love the courses. So that's just using the automate workflows with N8N as an example. I'm currently working on the Becoming Agentic AI Expert skill path, which is kind of like a collection of different courses together. And I am loving it so far. I'm about halfway through. It is a big one to get through, okay? Especially for someone who's a busy individual like me, but I love that I can stop and start and pick it right on back up where I left off. So that's been amazing for me. All courses on Educative are made by ex-Mang developers or people that have been in the education industry, like professors that are in computer science and things like that. So, it's trusted individuals that actually know what they're talking about. They've been doing this for a long time. I really, really like that. And some of the other features of Educative that I've used is learning about LeetCode. So the biggest thing for me with going through LeetCode and LeetCode grind is Educative knows that you should use and learn about different DSA patterns. And so they have, I think, a set of different courses on that you can go in, learn these patterns, and then after that, you reinforce your learning by going into their 30 days of code challenge and every single day doing one code challenge at a time. And that has been amazing. If you want to see that in real time, I have 30 different videos that I've done throughout the month of November 2025 where it showcases the different problems that Educative puts for their 30 days of code challenge. Now, once you start, you can keep going and you'll just be on a roll and do one problem each day and learn as you go there. Something else I really like is sometimes they run different prizes for certain months. So if you're continuing to do the 30 days of code challenge every month, and let's say you do it one of the months that they run the prizes and you're in like first, second, or third place, you're probably almost guaranteed to win the challenge. And they come up with really heavy hitter prizes like a MacBook Pro and different things like that. So I like that. So keep that in mind. And yeah, some of the other things that Educative has on their platform, there's this new section that they came up with called Fenzo. I think it's like an AI. I'll have to check, but I think it's like an AI browser. And also no, actually, I checked it out. So Fenzo gives personalized tech tutorials instantly. It's for anybody that's a developer or an engineer. So I think the examples they have, I'm looking at my computer. How to format dates in Python. That's a question you can ask the AI. Searching for text across multiple lines in Python. Okay, so yeah, that is very interesting. I haven't used it yet. It's brand new, so I'm gonna definitely use that. And then, yeah, there are so many other features. There's also mock interviews for those of you that are developers that want to go into Mang or any kind of tech field, and you can use that to just trial it out. Like, okay, I'm going to go to, for example, Meta. I want to be a software engineer. And I want to just go through the interview process, the technical portion where you're going through like a specific LeetCode type of challenge, they have that in Educative, and that's with the subscription. So that's pretty amazing. But yeah, overall, I like Educative a lot. I've been on the platform for quite some time, and I'm going to stay on the platform. I think it's great because they stay up to date and come out with different courses throughout the months of the year to keep you updated as an existing developer, not just anyone that's brand new in the field. And I really like one other thing that I'm going to share is it's like an email newsletter. So if you're signed up for emails with Educative, I think they send it out like once every other week or once a week, different information where they'll interview actual people that have these type of developer jobs in Mang, or different professors that are in computer science. They will interview them, get their feedback and any advice that they have, or even people that have been using Educative to get a job and have landed a job in big tech. So I loved all of that feedback. I think it's free to sign up for that, but don't quote me on that. So try to get on that email list if you can. Great information on there, and I'm surprised with some of that. And one other thing, they have different projects. So if you're trying to build up your portfolio in tech, let's say you want to be in the AI field, they have different projects that they give you step by step how to create these projects. So, and yeah, that was the things that I liked about Educative, the things that they could improve on. And if you're a developer, you're interested in wanting to keep up to date with different topics, whether it's an AI or a different topic like that, go ahead and sign up for Educative. They always continue to add new courses, add new projects that you could do. And it's a really great resource for someone that wants to do that, or someone like me that wants to keep updated with different information. And if you are a student and you want to break into Mang, it's a really great resource to have as well and utilize for that interview prep, learning about LeetCode, and even basic concepts, system design, and different patterns, things like that. So yeah, if you are interested, go ahead and sign up with the link below in my bio or description. It is really an awesome resource. And if you are liking this video, go ahead and like it down below, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel. We're going to be coming up with many other different topics to talk about, specifically in Agentic AI. I'm super excited about that. So don't go anywhere. 2026 is going to be amazing. I'm going to talk to you guys about my build more in depth. And yeah, we'll go from there. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.